I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a test question on slope of lines. The question here is, the point M, 3, 2, lies on a line with slope minus 3 over 4. Determine A and B on this line with M as the midpoint. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So what we are given here is point M, which is 3, 2, and we are also given slope, let's say slope M as equals to minus 3 over 4. We need to find a line segment AB. So we need to find line segment AB for which M is the midpoint. That's the question for us. Let us see how to do it. So let's take a point M. Let's say this is the point M, 3, 2. Now when we say this point is on a line with slope of minus 3 over 4, it means what? Slope of minus 3 over 4 means that change in y could be minus 3 over change in x could be 4, correct? So minus 3 means moving down by 3 units. So let's go down by 3 from here. Let's say these are 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Going down by 3 units makes y value minus 3, right? And then 4 means going right 4. This is positive 4 along the x-axis. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. And we reach this place. Let us call this point as, let's say, B. So the coordinates of B should be, we went down by 3 units, so y value should be reduced by 3. We went right, that means x value should be increased by 4, right? So increased by 4 on x to give us the value on B. So the coordinate point B should be 3 plus 4, 7, and y value will be 2 minus 3, which is minus 1, right? So I got one point. How do I get the other point so that M is midpoint? I should get it on this side. Then only M will be midpoint. So now let's look into the slope once again. Delta y over delta x, we said change in y over change in x is minus 3 over 4. Can it be 3 over minus 4? Yes, why not? That will also give you minus 3 over 4, correct? Right. So in this case, it really means that you could move up by 3 units. That means 1, 2, 3 units up, and 4, because that 4 is negative, left 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives you another point, right? So this point, let us call this point as A. The coordinates of this point should be, the x value has been reduced by 4, 3 minus 4, correct? As far as the x value is concerned, it is minus of what it was by 4 units. As far as the y value is concerned, we increased it by 3, correct? We increased it by 3. So what should be A? A will be 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, and 2 plus 3, which is 5. So A will be 5 for us. Joining the points A and B, we'll get a line segment, right? So we'll actually join these points, correct? If you do on a graph paper, you can get better results, right? I mean, neater. So we have point A and B with midpoint M, and that segment AB, since A and B are same distance from M, so M becomes the midpoint, right? So these distances are equal. So M becomes the midpoint. I hope you have seen how, by this construction, we can get points A and B, right? So our answer is, the points A and B are minus 1 and 5, and B is 7 minus 1. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps you to understand the concept. We'll take a few more questions in this regard. If you have any questions, feel free to post. Share my videos, and if you like, that'd be great. Thank you, and all the best.